When lights go out, you're in my mind. I close my eyes, so it's just you and I.
So this is day 3 of our Cornwall holiday. We decided today that we take the trip from our Penzance hotel down to St. Michael's Mount, which is behind me. The idea for today is we're going to take lots of photos, and after we've done St. Michael's Mount, we're going to take a trip up to St. Ives to spend some time at the beach.
When spring is coming,
we have made our way across the causeway, which is crazy because it's tidal. So the causeway is only out when the tide is out. And when the tide comes in, the causeway disappears under the sea, which is kind of like a natural defense of St. Michael's Mount. We've just stopped for some coffee. What we're gonna do is chill for a little bit and then walk around and hopefully get some beautiful footage of the gardens and maybe some of the castle itself.
but I don't hold grudge. You had to go. I will save you a space for a dance in the meadow on our favorite place when spring is coming.
Hello everybody, here we are in St. Ives. It's an amazing place, beautiful beaches and absolutely stunning water. It's completely turquoise and plenty of sunshine here. It's lovely.